always in my head. Just leave me alone. Just leave, yeah. I don't wanna be alone. But that's
What is today? December 11th. There is a second day. We're gonna do legs today. I'm gonna just do some quads, some hamstrings, and some calves. I'm not gonna do entire legs. I'm not gonna add any lower back. I'm not gonna add any glutes in there. I will add some. Abdominals at the end, just because they're gonna already be activated anyways. But yeah, so let's get into some warm-ups. We're gonna do some stretches, some rollers, and then we'll probably go into some little bit of squats, and then after that, get to the pushing. All right, so I'm just gonna do some warm-ups real quick. This is gonna be like a working set kinda. Then I'm probably gonna do just one of them, maybe two. Just gonna be some squats. Super light and simple. Nothing too crazy. So just hit it real quick. I love doing those. I like doing those because I got a bunch of injuries going on, so I like to keep my feet together. Make sure my leg doesn't pop out, my knee doesn't pop out, because that happened before. So just stick with those for a little bit.
The highest I'm going is 45.
Okay.
Because, oh boy.
That was heavy. That was heavy, I'm not gonna lie. But that's what happens when you get sick and you lose body fat and you lose strength. Your energy's all gone for 2.5 weeks straight. You ain't been doing nothing. But we're making it work. We've been here before. Oh, okay. This is really weird. I'm used to gold equipment, not this new crunch stuff. But I'm gonna do some of these real quick. Yeah. Ooh, I don't know if I like this for real. It's a little straight, like narrow. Ooh. Okay. All right. Okay. Yep. 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 I don't know if I'm gonna go up from there, but it felt good though. All right, this is the last one. Let's try to get up to like, we'll do 6 to 8. Let's do 6 to 8. And let's try to go down real slow on that last one and really get a good squeeze. So let's do it. All right, some curls. This will probably be it. Yeah, this will probably be it. So it. Bro, I swear, I'm like 4% body fat now, bro. Just off of those 2.5 weeks of me being sick. Looks insane though.
answer next one, bro. You know why? That's not my fault.
All right, about 3 hours after the gym session, I ran out of gas, so on my way to Wawa. But it's life. It happens sometimes. Never happened to me before, but this is the first time it happened. So, yeah. So that was a leg day, and really, honestly, that's usually how I do it. I'm more so of a, split my weeks up into like this week I'm gonna be focused on heavy lifting. Next week I'm gonna be focused on light lifting and rapid reps, stuff like that. Very, very basic stuff. But today was more so of like not so heavy. Also because, like I said, I just came off of having strep throat for 2.5 weeks. So I haven't been eating. I haven't been moving. I lost a lot of body fat. But the pump was nice though. The pump, I could see the some striations there, some vascularity, just like regular, but definitely lost a lot of fat. I like to maintain more of staying between like 5 to 6% body fat, just because I like to feel and look fuller. But it's not a big deal. I mean, like I said, life happens. Like I just got the worst 2.5 weeks ever. I've been dead. I haven't been able to eat. I haven't been able to talk even words. Like I'm back in the gym. So, hopefully in the next 2 weeks, I'll be back again with that body fat, that same body fat percentage that I'm usually maintaining. But this is a good foundation to build off of, though, the low body fat that I'm at. I swear, I think I'm at like 4% body fat now, just looking at myself, like really. But anyways, like I said, so yeah. And then I'm gonna implement more in there, my meals and my supplements. Not the worst lift, so gonna go ahead and get a meal in my body, get some rest, and come back and do it again tomorrow. So I hope you're with me. Hope you're there to watch it again, and I see you then. Peace.